Hi everyone. My name is Mike Bono. I'm a professional guitarist. I live in New York City, and I recently had to have shoulder surgery on my left shoulder here due to a skiing accident. I dislocated my shoulder, and when that happened, I fractured the humeral head and I tore my labrum, and so I had to have both of these things repaired, and they were done. They were both done arthroscopically about 2 weeks ago to the date. The reason I'm making this video is because, leading up to the surgery, I was having a lot of anxiety about the recovery process because this is my livelihood, and I couldn't really find anything uh, on YouTube that, I couldn't really find any musicians speaking specifically about this experience. So I just wanted to make this video to hopefully help anybody who's going through this. Um, yeah, so basically, uh, recovery is going to be long and slow. I have to really be careful, keep this arm stable so that the bone can heal. Uh, the exercises he has me doing right now are just some passive ones I'll show you. And uh, yeah, so basically I do shoulder shrugs, and then I take my right hand, my good arm, and I take my left arm and I just lift it forward like this. So the movement's entirely passive. I'm not using any of the muscles in my left arm or shoulder. And then the most important one for me as a guitar player is this one, trying to externally rotate. And unfortunately, this takes the longest and is the hardest to get back. So this is about as far as I can get right now. And to play guitar, comfortably, I can show you with my right hand. Playing the fretboard is probably, at the first fret is probably about here. So I've got quite a ways to go. But in the 2 weeks that I've been doing this, I've definitely gained a couple of inches. So I'm definitely feeling, cautiously optimistic. I think once I actually start doing the more active exercises and strengthening the muscles at physical therapy, it'll probably, start to open up a little bit more. But yeah, it's important that, I do those exercises basically as much as I can every day. And when I'm not doing that or showering, I keep it in the sling to keep everything still to make sure that the bone heals properly from the fracture. But yeah, I'm going to make some more videos just kind of updating the process and the progress, so that if anyone else is going through this, they kind of have a point of reference. But that being said, this is not medical advice, and everybody recovers differently. But yeah, 2 weeks out, this is where I'm at. Oh, and virtually no pain, just a little bit of soreness. If I touch the incision sites, I have 3. They're still like a little tender to the touch, but not bad. And typically I'm only not really in very much pain, but in the mornings is usually when it's the most sore. But all in all, 2 weeks after surgery, I can't really complain. In terms of like the discomfort level, it's not bad at all. And yeah, next week I'm going to visit with the doctor and hopefully start physical therapy. So I'll keep you all updated. Yeah, best of luck to anybody who's going through this. And yeah, more soon.